Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to take screenshots on the Kia Note 4. Unlock the screen and open the screen you want to capture, for example, the calendar. Use the combination of power key and volume down, hold them together for about 2 seconds. The device will take a screenshot. Let me show you again. Hold power and volume down simultaneously. To edit, share, or delete the screenshot, open the screenshot folder. Go to the main menu, find and select Gallery, then choose Albums at the top. You'll see the Screenshots folder, open it. From there you can choose screenshots and delete, edit, or share them. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and give a thumbs up under the video.